Hi guys, welcome to our channel cherrystech. Today we will see how to dump codes in ESP based boards, that is like Node MCUs and ESP8266 chips and ESP832.
Area 51.
Open your Arduino IDE software, go to Files, Preference, and here additional board manager URL. Click on that. Here we have to paste some URL, that is this is the link. I will give this link in the description below. Paste it here. OK. Now go to Tools, Board Manager. Wait for a second, here it's downloading. Okay, it has been completed. Search for ESP. Here you can see that this is the ESP based boards. Here you can see that ESP8266, ESP Arduino and many more boards. So just click on install. It may take some time, but just wait for a while. Here you can see that now installation process is completed. Now just close it. Now you can see in Tools, go to my Board Manager. Here you can see that from here these are the new boards which we added just now. Okay, now I am connecting my Node MCU controller. Now I have connected my Node MCU. Now go to Boards, and select for Node MCU 1.0. Now go to Tools, Port, click on this port, and the code is ready to dump. But we have small problem here, that is some library is missing, that is blink simple ESP8266.h. Now we have to include this library. So I will show you again how to include libraries. Open browser. Search for library. Here you can see that this is the link. Just click on that. Here click on blink. Now download the file. That is a zip file. Now downloading is completed. Now again go to Arduino, Sketch, include libraries, add zip files, go to Downloads, click on Blink Library Manager, open. Now you can see that here library has been added. Now the code is ready to dump. So port is already selected. So now I am dumping the code into my Node MCU. Now you can see that the code is uploading. Now you can see that this small message that is done uploading. So in this way we can dump the code into our Wi-Fi based boards, that is ESP based boards. So if you like the video, just like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.